Here with a look at Avalanche. A couple things right off the bat. All right, number one, we have a resistance line coming right down through here. Okay, which obviously we're going to have to smash. Number two, we have one coming right up through this area here, forming a pretty big wedge. Okay, so obviously a pretty massive move coming out of this thing when this breaks out of here, which is looking pretty awesome. Okay, I'll move to the either side. Let's see here, let's get an info line. We'll be very conservative here. You know, move to the upside would put it up towards the $70 region. You know, if it broke down by any chance, would put it down towards the $24 region. Okay, right now we're at right around 47 bucks. All right, a couple things I want to look at here. All right, number one, it looks like you know, it almost looked like a 5-wave down pattern starting in here. You can look here and see, you know, one. Let's get this measured out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But okay, I went and measured this with a fib, and it looks more like it looks more like an ABC pattern. Okay, we have a 618 hit right there. Pull this down on top, and that looks like a bottom coming in here. So looked like it did an ABC correction in here. All right, which is good to see. That's what you want to see for a bottom in here, an ABC. All right, so technically, you know, this could be a wave 1, 2 starting right here, an Elliott wave. And if a measurement for that, you know, with the trend-based fib, you know, you'd be looking at $72. All right, now 72 bucks. Does that align with any kind of, you know, say we take our info line back a little bit further like we should. All right, $70 was the, you know, kind of lines up, don't it? Kind of looking that way. All right, so that very much could be a wave 1, 2. If this is a third wave starting out of here, your third wave is your longest, strongest wave. Okay, wave 3, 4, and then 5. You know, this wave 3 could come a little bit higher. Then your wave 4 pullback. Then your fifth wave up could end up looking something like that. One of the main reasons I believe this could happen is Bitcoin over here. Look at this. It's just getting ready to break out of this wedge again, just as I'm doing these videos. So what perfect timing. All right, you got the 12-hour RSI starting to turn up. You got the 8-hour right on the bottom. You got your 4-hour right on the bottom. And looking like a breakout's happening here. All right, looks like Caspa's ready to take off. Looks like a lot of stuff out there is getting ready to go. So this could be it right here. I got set an alarm on here, so I am aware of a Bitcoin breakout. Now, do not buy big green candles, guys. Wait. You know, if this thing breaks out and you're looking to get into a Bitcoin long, don't buy here. Wait for a retest and then buy. Okay, not financial advice, just a little friendly advisor that gets you away from fake outs, just like happened over here on a daily chart. You can see that fake out right there. You know, we had the big green candle, then we had the bearish engulfing candle that sucked that right up and ended up pushing it right back down in. But looks like Bitcoin is you know, possibly, maybe today, maybe it'll go. You know, we got even the 3-day RSI is bullish and heading up. Okay, so things are looking pretty decent. And on a 3-day, actually this 3-day candle is just back testing the breakout area here. So, you know, could end up being a pretty decent day out there, especially if we get this break. All right, any break of what, 70,000 bucks? Well, we're right about 70,000 now. call it 70,300. I would say we have a pretty clear breakout. Then a back test could come down. Let's look at a 12-hour support area. You'd probably be looking at a back test probably around somewhere around that area there. So if you get the breakout, back test probably somewhere right around here, and then a rip up out of here. So Bitcoin is looking good, starting to push out of that wedge right now. So Avalanche, yeah, definitely keep an eye on this. The measured move, this could be a very decent move. And if you're using leverage, speaking of, I have a level 3 membership for $14.99, 22 videos, over 9 hours of videos, teach you how to leverage trade, teach you everything, how to look for price targets, get you a link to our Discord membership where we trade a lot. Everything is in there, okay? Elliott wave theory to teach you how to do all this stuff. If you're leverage trading this thing and this thing ends up taking off up here, and you're just using 10x leverage, you're going to 5x your money. All right, some people like to use 20x. That means you're going to 10x your money. That's the power of a leverage trading. Of course, please know what you're doing when you're leverage trading. Know your entries and your exits. That kind of information I don't like to give. I like to show the setups in Discord, and you make your own mind up. I always tell people, if you get the breakout, wait for the retest, enter on your retest, and then ride it. Okay, as far as take profits and entries, that's financial advice. I really don't want to give that stuff. That stuff can get me in trouble. All right, but things are looking good, so keep your eye on these guys. Have a great day. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll be back to you soon.